Want to start receiving payments through Payoneer? Here's a safe and legal step-by-step guide to verifying your account properly. First, head over to the official Payoneer website and sign in using your username and password. Then go to the verification center. On your dashboard, check for any alerts or banners asking for account verification. Click Verification Center or the Submit Now button to begin. Step 3. Upload your ID. Submit a clear photo of a government-issued ID, like a passport, driver's license, or national ID. Make sure the image is original, high quality, and easy to read. Step 4. Fill out the questionnaire. Payoneer might ask you to complete a business questionnaire to better understand your account usage and ensure security. Provide accurate and honest details. Step 5. Wait for approval. Verification usually takes a few minutes up to 3 business days. You can check your approval status anytime in the verification center. Step 6. Access your receiving accounts. Once verified, your receiving accounts in US dollars, euros, GBP, and etc. will be unlocked. You can now accept global payments as if you had local bank accounts in each region. Important reminders: only use your own authentic documents. Never upload anyone else's personal info, and always follow Payoneer's official rules and YouTube's policy on safe, truthful content. Once verified, you'll be able to receive funds globally with ease, speed, and full compliance. This guide is 100% legal, educational, and respects all terms and privacy guidelines. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.